I feel really honored to be in the presence of everyone. Thanks.
Thank you so much for your words, sir. What about you? Would you want to share something about the film?
I think the film has been in the public domain for long now. It's been in the theaters. It's been on TV as well, and more than that, I think it's living in the hearts of all the people who have been touched by it. I think what is important about today is that with the DVD out now, while you could see the film, you could touch the film in theaters, TV. Now, from today onwards, you will be able to carry a piece of that film, not just a piece of the film, the whole film back home. So I think, Hiren, thank you so much. I think this partnership is very valued, and I think it is a very important piece, because this is what really saves the great work that all of these fabulous gentlemen have created for posterity, and that's the lovely piece we can all carry home. So thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, sir. And Shefali, would you want to share something about Reliance Digital Express and Bhag Milkha Bhag?
First of all, I would like to welcome the entire team at Reliance Digital Express. We feel that they are the bang-on brand ambassadors if we would want to have one, because young and pretty Sonam can really be a good representative of a young India today. And Farhan Akhtar, being a multi-talented individual, he is the best person to represent the today's tech generation. Personally, I'm a fan of the movie Bhag Milkha Bhag, and we are glad to have the entire team here to launch the DVD, because it is one of the movie which is a keep-away kind of a movie which a person would like to watch again and again. It is very, each and every scene of the movie is so well shot. I mean, it's like saying something to the master, but it's so well shot that you remember each and every scene, each and every character, and it is like I just have no words to describe the quality of the art that is created. So we are glad to be a part of the event and activity for the launch of the DVD.
Alright, thank you so much. So now, without waiting further, let us start the launch of Bhag Milkha.
your next film, your working process and all of that, the pressure that you get after this success that Bhag Milkha Bhag got, the pressure to pull your next film?
Wow. No, it's. I think we need to meet over a cup of coffee and discuss it. This is not a one-line answer, but you got to put your head down and keep doing things to the best of your ability, what you believe in. Sometimes you're able to express yourself and put it out there. Sometimes you fall short of it, but when you fail, I think we've heard it from so many other people, it will teach you more than success. So I think success is equal to failure into so many times is equal to success. Otherwise, you'll never have success. Yeah.
And also wanted to know the status of Mirza Sahiba, your next film.
Today, I think we are gathered for the launch of Bhag Milkha Bhag DVD and Blu-ray. If we go on to other subjects, between us, there will be 25 more films to talk about.
If you could just tell us what is that film all about?
No, I will not tell you what is that film is all.
Here, towards your left, Farhan, Sonam, Rakesh. Okay. Farhan? Here, towards your left. My question is to all three of you. You think industry needs more and more such inspirational stories to be told? Clearly, Milkha Bhag is a trendsetter. Your personal take on it, all three of you.
Excuse me, I find it very difficult to tell people what they should make. And similarly, I don't know if I would accept if somebody else was telling me that I should make a certain kind of film. You react to things instinctively, so if you read a script, you just respond to it emotionally. Or if there's an idea you want to develop, you have to be very, very excited by it to do it. It's very difficult to design something. Do these films, you're absolutely right, it's a very inspirational movie. If films that are made with the right spirit, like I think that Prasun and Rakesh, when they got together to make this film on Milkha Ji, Milkha Ji's involvement himself, the kind of spirit with which he participated in the making of it, I think that all of it made this film very, very special. So if the feeling around the film and the emotion around the film is right, then it will more often than not end up coming through to the audience in the similar kind of way. But what should people make? I mean, that really is a very, very personal and individual call.